so this is the motor that we picked up when we picked up the forking shirt box. We grabbed this motor that had a manual transmission, slant 6. It's for in this epic car over here that is Jason's. We got this in Michigan 2 years ago. Yeah, picked this up in Michigan, and it's pretty rare. Dart, fun car with his cool custom lattice work on it. But anyway, pulled this motor out because it jumped time. Couldn't get the flywheel off. Easier to buy another motor that already runs than to fix this one. But maybe we'll finally figure out what's wrong with it.
Yeah.
This here, can't get this off. It broke the puller. It's like stuck on there to get to the timing chain, the jump time.
Yep.
That one's out of a newer car.
This out of 63, I gotta change my motor mount.
Yep.
That's easy.
Switch the motor mounts because they're a little bit different. But
Yep, they're both different.
this one, he tried putting the 4-barrel intake manifold on it, and it's got headers hanging there for it. But for right now, we just want to jam the other one in and make sure it fires. Because this one, I can get it to run, but it's out of time. So when you gas it, it shoots a fireball into the garage. We can get it to idle and start, but it's off by like a tooth or two. And this one's got way less miles on it and in much better shape. Yep. So
in 92, this one had 88,000 miles on it. It still says 88,000 miles.
I was gonna say that speedometer hasn't worked in a long time, buddy.
Fun.
That's all right.
Yeehaw.
It's got a big hole. We should drop the 440 out of the shirt box in here.
That's from me picking the block up over top because I couldn't get it out.
Imagine this thing with a 440 in it.
Good Lord, it's twisted in half. You seen underneath it?
Yeah, there's a reason why this car is titled as an antique classic. It has no floors.
Well, it has floors, just not the right spot.
They're just not good floors. You don't Flintstone it. It doesn't have door panels, and the floors are there. Just somebody like sheet metaled them.
They laid them over top of the original floors.
It's a little messy.
Oh yeah, you can see.
So I'm late, as usual, but it's pushed out of the garage so we can shove this motor in here. What's up, boys? Come on, man. Hey, I can't help him finding one eye. Bionics, you work for an electronics company.
Oh, believe me, if I could, I would.
I'll be a cyborg. None of this diabetes and blind eye. I get all new stuff.
Yeah, see, some of these bolts, there's different size bolts that go in this train.
Different.
How can you know which ones are which? Well, that one's a nut. These big ones go in these holes.
I got different colored paint mats.
Blow that paint out of there.
You hold that.
Yep, this is the starter. That's one.
There you go.
That one. That's
Make sure,
the
hey,
pin.
this one's different altogether.
Make sure it mounts, matches, because that hole's way bigger than this one. Somebody change that.
Dial pin, maybe, in the old motor.
This pin.
Then this one.
Oh shit.
I might have to pop a dial pin. Or are they just different altogether?
No, look, the bolt he had that went in there, he needs to check the thread.
Smaller.
This is a small
Yeah,
one.
that's,
That one goes there, but that's what I'm saying. It's gonna go.
So this slant, so this starter, this starter is gonna go.
Yeah, your dowel pin's right here.
Yeah.
So this big hole
Is a bolt.
is the smaller bolt.
Yeah, which is in my hand right here.
Yeah, but you had a big bolt that
Let's-
you shoved in there.
Well, just making sure it's the right hole. But yeah, but see, some of these ones go through all the way. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
There's different size bolts.
Okay.
This bolt here goes down here.
I'm picking up what you're putting down now.
This goes in here.
Yeah, that's chip is different. This one has.
There's more bolts in there. But yeah, see these. This bolt fits in
That'll
big.
stop it and turn it off.
See, that fits.
Jeez.
It had some leakage. All right. Ready to do this? Stab her in the hole. Raise her up so we don't crush the car again. I got one dent here already.
Don't do that.
What? Nobody was here to help.
You didn't tell me you were doing it,
We
okay?
probably ought to get over that hump before we get up too high.
Yeah, you're probably right.
Here, let me get this wheel pointing the right direction.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Following that one.
We'll be able to run it up that crack.
That's what she said. Running up the crack.
Hey, dude, that is the same thing as what you're spraying in. Yeah. With the shock.
How high you want it?
Go one more and pull it back towards you.
We want it.
Yeah, it won't move.
Here, let me see if I can't push it. About right there.
All right, we want it Snoop Dogg. That.
I don't know that it'll come back out once it's in the car.
Well, we got another jack to bring the front of the car up.
Right?
I'm gonna have to pull this back a little bit.
The car?
Or, whoa, no, that.
This.
Like the motor towards us. Let's see what, is it clearing that firewall?
Yeah, it's clearing the firewall.
We can't see it from here, so you have to let us know.
Yeah, I'm pushing it away. All right, hold up. It's gonna have to go back. This will level it out. Should. I'm going the wrong damn way. Oh, come on, one time on a turn.
We got it.
He's a heavy pig.
Watch that bracket for the shifter.
Yeah, I don't want to break that off either.
We mu I'm wondering if it would be smart to go over that way now before we get to that.
I can climb up on the firewall and push, or up on here and push it back. There it goes. Now we're going down. Yeah, it's definitely gotta go back.
I'm holding.
We gotta get past the starter bolt. We're hitting the exhaust, aren't we?
Yep.
Yes.
And we actually need to tilt the motor this way.
Don't
Go
pinch this brake line while you're at it.
See that? Try to get that motor mount to fall on that stud. That way it helps.
There you go.
Up a little bit, Jason. All right.
Tell me when you're lined up.
Now swing the front of the motor over towards me. Now you're twisting the motor. I need the whole mount to go. If that makes sense.
Yes, I understand. You need the whole shooting match to move.
Yep.
What?
Craig.
Push
Pull
on
back
that.
on it?
Push
The whole
on the
engine?
no, the
Oh, the
en-
hoist and all.
The hoist and all.
Oh,
There you go. There you go.
Are we high enough on that motor mount?
we're way off the motor mount right now, yeah.
Keep moving that towards there. There. Getting better.
I hope that clears. I hope the oil pan clears. Shit.
My problem is
That's where it's hitting on the
It's sitting
oil
on the
pan.
oil pan.
I need something to push this trans over. The trans.
As long as we get the oil pan.
Oh, we're already past it.
Oh yeah, we're past the oil pan now.
We
Okay.
can go down now?
You can come down just a smidge.
Where's my pin at? I can see the
Tell
pin.
me when. How far away are you from that?
Okay, so
Can we go up a little bit?
that's motor mount.
Okay. Come down.
It's got to come my way.
No, not much. Look, I got my pin right here with my hole.
How's it?
Yeah, my pin.
Hey,
My pin's about half
roll
about an
this.
inch
Pick
off.
the front up.
Pick the front up.
Yeah,
That picks the front up.
almost.
No, she's not even doing anything. No, it's locked.
Whoops.
Oops, crap. Get your finger out of there.
Give me, stop there. Give me just a little bit up, Craig.
I'm almost on the pin over here.
Got
There
it.
it is.
This
Grab a
side's
bolt.
not. This side's not in the pin.
Yeah, but give
You
me
need
a
to go
bolt
up or
and I'll
down?
get it a little bit started.
That way we're not going.
That way we don't lose it. We need the one for this side.
It's a skinny
Those
one.
ones go on. Those ones don't. Those ones over there don't go on until the freaking pin on the bottom goes
Do
on.
we need to go up on your side or down?
Jason.
It's right there. I mean, you got it, Jared. It's kind of tight to get down in there. Okay, wait. Don't.
How many more are coming back to this way?
Most of them are on the bottom after you put the dust cover on. There's 4 of them on this dust cover. There's 2 here to go.
What's so funny, Chantel?
You're really getting into your work there, Ryan.
Get into your teeth and using 2 fingers.
forceful. I was getting molested.
She likes it.
Oh, okay.
Getting her?
Okay, Duggan.
Woo! All right, line up the motor mount. Start it up.
What happened to your hour, man? We can have the motor in an hour.
Yeah, I don't know
if you
what
were
time
all
I
here
got
on
here,
time.
remember?
Tell me when, Rob.
So do we finally line up with everything?
Yeah, it's in.
Oh my gosh, it was a pain. We had to take parts back off to
Hey,
get other
never
parts
mind.
to line up.
5/8 will work just fine.
All right.
That'll do, pig. Now what are you taking off?
Ground strap.
Oh, the crappy one.
So where these bolts go to? They must have went to the other motor. Yeah, we don't need that this time.
Only took an hour to get this motor in. We're ready to fire it up and go.
I think it's aluminum.
Yeah. It's gonna be a short one.
Yeah, really
With a washer.
That's what she said.
There's probably a nut for that.
There's a pain in the butt to get that back in there because the motor mounts didn't line up. Still easier than some of the other cars we've done though.
Right?
All right, now I'll do it. Turns like a kitten. Perfect. Just what we needed. No hesitation. Perfect. It's gonna make a throttle linkage, but right now it has no throttle linkage.
She might do 70 now.
I gotta figure out how I'm gonna make a throttle linkage. They had a coat hanger on it before.
So on this episode of What Did My Friends Get Me Into, we had to fabricate a new throttle linkage for the new old carburetor on the new engine, fashioned out of a piece of coat hanger. We're getting ready to take it for its maiden voyage after the engine transplant, and transmission fluid level's full. We still have to fasten down the battery, and yeah, we're going to take it for a short test ride and see what happens.
The rear headlights are out. Oh well. She's moving.
She's moving on her own power.
She's a boat.
We never put the bell. There went the.
Did it come out or did it fall down?
It came out. I think it fell over the top. How do I get out, Jake? There we go. Oh.
Oh, your phone.
No, your phone.
Shit. That could be bad.
Yes, that could have been bad. That was the battery hold down that we forgot to put back in. We didn't die!
Look, my table was up at my beard before. Now I gotta.
So, can you tell me how it was when we loaded this thing?
There's another pizza over there too.
Ryan had this dovetail trailer. But the axles, the tires were underneath the body of it, so it was high.
I don't know if you ever saw that one, 20-foot dovetail.
Oh my
Deck
god.
over.
So,
We had the Jeep and the side-by-side in it in a couple of pictures.
but we found the car.
It's like 4 feet up.
We backed the dually up on the plastic oil change ramps. We had them underneath
Well,
it.
we laid pavers under those.
Yeah, and then put them on.
So we stacked up 3 pavers high, put the plastic ramps under the outside duals and backed up so the
and
trailer
raised
could do
put 100
that.
pounds of air in the tank on the axle, on the shocks.
Filled the bags as full as it was.
And it
to
still
get
took
that
2
trailer
sets
up.
of ramps to get the sucker on the trailer. We had an inch of clearance to get on the trailer.
Then we got it home. We pulled it down in front of my barn and
Exhaust.
backed it up to the to that ledge that's right there to get it off, and it's still drug
Damn
exhaust.
It sat lower in the ass. I raised the ass end of it up, but it sat so. I had to have him patch holes in my alley so we can get out.
We pulled in the alleyway and bottomed out.
That's why she's slow. She's blowing slow.